last class we discussed about our exercise 6.1 in our chapter 6 integers. Okay, and so now today we are going to study about addition of integers. Okay, so also we know about integers. Integers means negative numbers including whole numbers. Whole numbers including negative numbers called integers. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. are negative integers. Integers. Okay, and the number comes left of 0 is negative integers, and the numbers represents on the right of 0 on a number line is positive integers, and negative 1 is the largest negative integer. Okay, so now today we are going to start we are going to study about addition of integer. Addition of integer. Okay, so here first one is when we add two positive integers, then we get a positive integer, then the answer is always a positive integers like this. Okay, if you take any two positive integers like plus 3 and positive 2, positive 3 and positive 2 are positive 3 and positive 2 are two positive integers. When we add these two integers like this, positive 3 plus addition sign, then positive 2, then we get a positive integers, that is positive 3 plus positive 2, we get positive 5. Then the answer is always a positive integer. When we add two positive integers, then we get a positive integer. Okay, so if we add these two numbers on a number line, here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. Here positive 3 plus positive 2. So we start from positive 3. Positive 3. Then we move to 2 steps, and it is positive 2 and it represents the right of positive 3, and we take 2 steps from positive 3, then we reach positive 5, then the answer is positive 5. Okay, so if we add any two positive integer, then we get a positive integer. Okay, so another example. Positive 10 and positive 4. Okay, if we add these two integers, positive integers, positive 10 plus positive 4, then we get 10 plus 4 is positive 4. Okay, or if we draw a number line, then mark the points up to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, etc. And here we start from 10. 10 is here, and move its positive 4 and move 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we reach 14. Positive 14. So the answer is positive 14. 10 plus 4 we get positive 14. The answer is plus 14 or 14. Okay. So when we add any two positive integer, then we get a positive integer. Then if we add a positive integer and a negative integer like this. Okay, if we take any two integers, if one is negative integer, if we take any two negative integer like this, negative 2 and negative 1, these are the two negative integers, and we want to add these two negative integers like this, negative 2 addition negative 1. Okay, and here the negative sign is common, so take negative is common, then we write 2 plus 1, then we get negative 2 plus 1, 3, negative 3. Okay, if we add two negative integers, we get a negative integer. If we add two negative integer, then we get a negative integer. Okay, if we add any two positive integer, then we get a positive integer. If we add any two negative integer, then we get a negative integer. Okay, addition. Okay, so another examples for addition of negative to negative integers. Okay, if you take any two negative integers, take negative 5 and negative 4. Okay, these are the two negative integers. Then we want to add these numbers like this: negative 5 addition negative 4, and here negative is common in both these numbers, and take the negative as common. Then negative, write 5 and write this sign plus, and this negative is we write to common, then it's 4, and then we get is equal to negative 5 plus 4, 9. It's 9. Okay, or simply negative 5 plus negative 4. If we add these two numbers, we get 9. Then these are two negative integers. Then take the negative sign. Then we get the negative integer. Okay. So if we add any two positive integer, we get a positive integer. If we add any two negative integer, then we get a negative integer. Okay. Another example. Negative 11 plus negative 12. So here these two numbers are negative integer. Okay. So our answer is always a negative integer. So first we add these two numbers, that is 11 plus 12. Then we get 23. Okay. And here the two numbers are negative integers. Then take the sign negative. Take the negative sign. So we get negative 23. Or another way, negative 11 plus negative 12 is equal to, take the minus sign in common as common. Then add the two numbers 11 plus 12. Then here negative 11 plus 12 is 23. So we get negative 23. Okay. For another example, positive 23 plus positive 40. Okay. So here the two integers are positive. Then we get a positive integer. Our answer is always a positive integer. So first we add the two integers, that is 23 plus 40. We get 63. And it's a positive integer. So positive 63. Understood? So if we add any two positive integer, then we get a positive integer. Then if we add any two negative integer, then we get a negative integer. Okay. Then next one is, when you have one positive and one negative integer, you must subtract but take the sign of greatest integer. Okay. For example, like this. If we take one positive integer and one negative integer, then we want to add these two numbers. Okay. Or add these two integers, that is positive 5 plus negative 8. We want to add positive 5 plus positive 8. So we want to add one positive integer and one negative integer. So the sign of 5 is positive and here negative 8. From this we subtract these numbers and take the sign of largest number. Take the sign of largest or biggest integer. Take the sign of biggest integer. Here 5 or 8 is the biggest. Which is the biggest integer? It's 8. Okay, and the sign of 8 is negative. First we subtract these two numbers. That is 8 minus 5. We get 3. And take the sign of biggest number. That is 8. 8 is bigger than 5. Okay. So sign is negative. So put the sign of biggest number to the answer. So we get negative 3. For another example, if we take any two integers, one is positive and one is negative. Okay. Minus 7 and positive 8, and we want to add these two numbers and write in negative 7 plus positive 8, and the sign is positive. One is positive and one is negative. So if we then we subtract these two numbers. That is 8 minus 7. We get 1 and put the sign of biggest number here. Biggest number is 8 and the sign of 8 is positive. So take the positive sign. Okay. So if we add a positive integer and a negative integer, then we subtract the two numbers, then take the sign of biggest number. Okay. These are the addition of integers. And we also studied about addition of integers on number line. Okay. Then we are going to study about our exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2 in your textbook, page number 128. First question, using the number line, write the integer which is, using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay. So, by using number line, so we draw a number line and mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And here it's minus 1, 2, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. Okay. And here the first question is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5, and these two are positive integers, and positive 3 is here, and 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means we start from 3 and move towards positive 5 means move towards right for 5 steps. Okay, move 5 steps towards right. 2, 3, sorry, 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5, which means more than 5. So we start from 5. Start from 5 and 3 more than 5. So move 3 steps towards right for 5. It is 1, 2, 3. Then we reach 8. Reach the point 8. So we get 8. Or simply 3 more than 8. 5 means 5 plus 3. More than means addition. 5 plus 3. We get 8. Okay. Then the next one is 5 more than negative 5. Which means positive 5 more than negative 5. Okay. And here the number line is here. Negative 5 more than negative 5. Okay. Here 5 is here. 5 more than means negative 5 is smaller than negative 4. If we more than means we add negative 5 plus positive 5. Okay. So we move, for addition we move right of number line. So we start from -5, then we move 5 steps to the right of number line for find the more than or addition. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we reach at 0. Okay, so we get 0. So the answer is 0, or simply -5 plus 5. 5 more than -5 is -5 plus -5. These are two opposite integers. So negative integer and positive integer. Addition of negative integer and positive integer. Then we subtract the integer. Then take the sign of biggest number. Here the number is same. So we get -5 plus -5 plus 5. We get 0. And here the 0 is either positive or negative. Okay, so we get 0. Then the next question is six less than 2. Six less than 2. So less than means subtraction. Okay, so 6 less than 2. So here less than 2. So we start from 2, positive 2, and 6 less than 2, which means we move towards left direction from 2, which means subtraction. Okay, so here we move, less than means we move to the left of number line from the point 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we reach the point -4. So the answer is -4, or 2 minus 6 less than, which means -6. Okay, so it's -6. So it's a positive integer and a negative integer. Then we subtract these two integers and put the sign of greatest number. Here 6 minus 2 we get 4, and the sign of biggest number is negative. So we get -4. Okay. The next one is 3 less than 3 less than -2. So 3 less than means move towards 3 steps towards left from this which point, from -2. So we start from -2, and less than 3 less than means we move 3 steps. Less than means left direction. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we reach at -5. So the answer is -5. Or if we add that 2, -2 plus +3, then we if we add 3 less than -2, then we move at here 3 less than -2, which means -2 plus -3. 3 less than means -3. Then we get -2 plus -3. Then we add any two negative integer. Then we get a negative integer. We add these two numbers. We get 5. Then put the sign of negative. Okay, so we get -5. So here the number line we also get -5. Okay. Next question, use number line and add the following in the here. Here is also by using number line. So first we draw a number line. Okay. First we mark the point 0, then positive integers to the right of 0. First question, 9 plus negative 6. Okay, which means we start from 9. Then we move 6 steps and the negative sign represents we move towards left direction. Negative sign represents its direction. Okay, so we start from 9, then move 6 steps towards left direction. So here it is a positive integer 9. So we start from 9 from this point and move 6 steps. 6 steps towards left of number 9. Here like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we reach at 3. So the answer is positive 3. Okay. So here one integer is positive and another is negative. Then we subtract these two integers. Then take the sign of biggest integer. Here 9 minus 6 we get 3. And here the biggest number is 9 and the sign of 9 is positive. So we get positive integer or positive 3. Okay. Then the next question. 5 plus negative 11, which means we start from 5. We start from 5. Then we move 11 steps towards which direction? Left direction. Here the negative sign represents left direction. Okay. So we move towards left direction from positive 5. Here the positive 5. Then we move towards 11 steps towards left. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we reach at the point minus 6. So the answer is negative 6. Okay. Then the next question. Minus 1 plus minus 7. Okay. So which means we start from minus 1. Then move towards 7 steps towards which direction? Negative sign indicates left direction. So we start from negative 1. Here is negative 1. Then move towards 7 steps. Left of negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we reach at negative 8. So the answer is negative 8. So if we add two negative integers, then we get a negative integers. 1 plus 7 we get 8 and the two integers are negative. So we take the negative sign. So we get negative 8. Then the next one is E. Negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. Okay, here we want to add 3 negative integers. Okay, so here negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. First we start. So here first we start from negative 1. Here is negative 1. So we start from this point. Then first we move 2 steps towards left, which means negative 2. It's 2 steps towards left. So 1, 2. Then we reach at negative 3. From here, we also move at 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then we reach at negative 6. So the answer is negative 6. First we start from negative 1. Then we move 2 steps to the left of number line. Then we reach at negative 3. Then from negative 3 we also move 3 steps towards the right. Oh, sorry, left. Then we reach at negative 6. Then the answer is negative 6. Okay. Next question. Negative 2 plus negative 2 plus 8 plus negative 4. So we start from negative 2. Then we move towards 8 steps. First we move towards 8 steps to the right. Plus sign or positive sign represents to the right direction. So we move 8 steps to the right from negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we reach 6. Okay. Then from this point, from 6, we move 4 steps left of the number line, -4, which means move 4 steps left of the number line. So like this, from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we reach at 2. So the answer is positive 2. Okay. So the answer is positive 2. So these are the answers of question number 2 in exercise 6.2. Then the third question, add without using number line. Okay, so the first question is 11 plus negative 7. When we add a positive integer and negative integer, we can subtract these two integers, then put the sign of largest number. So here 11 minus 7, we get 4, and here the biggest number is or largest number is 11 and the sign is positive, so put positive. So we get positive 4. So the answer is positive 4. Then the second question, negative 13 plus negative 18. Here also one positive integer and one negative integer. Then we subtract these two numbers and take the sign of biggest number. So here 18 minus 13 we get 15. 8 minus 3 5. Sorry 5 0. Okay, 18 minus 13 it's 5, and put the sign of biggest number, and here 18 is biggest, so put the sign of 18, that's positive. So we get positive 5. Then next one is negative 10 plus negative 19. Okay, and here also it's positive and negative integers, so subtract these two numbers and take the sign of greatest number. Okay, here 19 minus 10 we get 19 minus 10 we get 9. Okay, and here the greatest number is 19 and the sign is positive, so positive 9. And here another question is also like that, and question number D. Question number D is your homework. Okay, and question number E. Negative 380 plus negative 270. Here these two numbers, two integers are negative integers, so we add any two negative integers, then we get a negative integer. So these two negative integers, first we add these two numbers, then take the negative sign. Okay, if we add these two numbers, then we get 650 and take the sign negative sign, so we get negative 650. So F is like this way, and D and F is your homework. Okay, so do your homework properly. Question number 4. Find the sum of 137 and negative 354. Find the sum of 137 and minus 354. Okay. So we want to find the sum, which means we want to add these two numbers. So this positive 137. For find the sum, add the following. So positive plus negative 354. Here 137 is a positive integer and 354 is a negative integer. If we add a negative integer and positive integer, we subtract these two numbers and put the sign of biggest number. Here first we subtract these two numbers, 354 minus 137, then we get 7 1 2 217 and here these two are the biggest number is 354 and its sign is negative, so put the negative sign, so we get negative 217. Okay, negative 217. Next question. Negative 52 and positive 52. Okay, so want to find the sum. So negative 52 plus positive 52. So for the addition of one negative integer and a positive integer, we subtract the numbers, then take the sign of biggest number. Here the two numbers are same, so we subtract these two numbers. Minus 52 plus 52, we get 52 minus 52, it's 0. 0 is not 0 is either negative or positive integer. Okay, so we get 0. If we subtract same numbers, then we get 0. Okay, then the next question is negative 312 39 and 192. Okay, here we want to find the sum of three numbers. So write the numbers. Negative 312 plus positive 39 plus positive 192. Okay, so here first numbers are negative 312 and positive 39. So here it's a negative integer and it's a positive integer. Okay, so here so 300 minus 312 plus 39. So this is a negative integer and it's a positive integer. So if we add a negative integer and a positive integer, take the subtract the following and take the sign of greatest number. Here 312 minus 39, then we get 12 0. Here 10 2 7 2 273 and here it's negative 273 and here 312 is the greatest number, so we take negative sign, so negative 273 plus positive 192. So here it's also a negative and positive integer, so subtract these two numbers, then take the sign of biggest number. So 273 minus 192, we get 81. Okay, so we get 81 and here this is the greatest number 273, so sign is negative, so we get negative 81. Then the next question is negative 50, negative 200 and positive 300. Okay. So first we write in the addition for negative 50, find the sum, plus negative 200 plus positive 300. Okay, and the first two numbers are negative 50 and negative 200. By adding two negative integers, add the following numbers and take the negative sign. Okay, so 250, 200 plus 50, we get 250, and here these are two negative integers, so we get a negative integer, so negative 250 plus positive 300. If we add a positive and a negative integer, take the subtract the following and take the sign of biggest number. So here 300 minus 250, we get 50, and here 300 is the greatest number and its sign is positive, so we get positive 50. And like this, question number 5 is also find the sum. Question is negative 7 plus negative 9 plus 4 plus 16, and negative 7 plus negative 9, we get negative 16 plus 4 plus 16. Here negative 16 plus 4, subtract 16 minus 4, we get negative 12 plus 16, and 16 plus negative 12, we get, it's negative 4, so we get negative 4. Okay, so it's positive 4. Here 16 is the biggest number, so put the sign of 16. Okay, so we get positive 4. So like this, question number B in exercise 5th question is your homework. Okay, then we are moving to our next exercise, that is exercise 6.3. So also based on addition. Okay, exercise 6.3. First one is find 35 minus 20. Here we want to write find 35 minus 20. So 35 is a positive integer and 35 is a positive integer. And here the question is 35 minus 20 in your textbook page number 131. Okay, 131, and the answer is here 35 minus 20. Here we want to subtract the following, and the sign of 20 is positive, so we subtract from 35 minus 20, we get 15, and the sign of 35 is the biggest number and the sign is positive, so we get positive 15. Okay, then the second question, 72 minus 90. Okay, and here 72 minus 90, and the sign of 90 is negative. Then we subtract 90 minus 72, we get 18. And here 90 is the biggest number, then we take the sign of 90, it's negative, so we get negative 18. Okay, then see 15, negative 15 minus negative 18. Negative 15 minus negative 18. Then these two minus becomes positive. That is negative 15 plus 18. Then we get negative 15 minus 18. 18 minus 15 we get 3. Then put the sign of biggest number, that is 8. So we get positive 3. Okay. So like this, the remaining questions are your homework. Okay. And the next question number 2, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal sign. So the first question is negative 3 plus negative 6. It's a blank space for putting the symbol. Then negative 3, negative 6. So which is the greatest number? When we add these two numbers, we get 6 plus 3, 9, and put the negative sign, negative 9. And here negative 3, these two minus become positive 6. Then 6 minus 3 is 3. So it's the greatest number, negative 9 or positive 3. It's positive 3. Negative 9 is less than positive 3. So put the sign less than sign. Okay. Then the next question. Negative 21. Negative 10. Space for putting the sign. It's negative 31 plus negative 11. Okay. So here these two minus become positive. And here negative 31 plus negative 11 we get negative 42. 21. Negative 21 plus 10 we get 11. So here 11 is negative 11, negative 21. 21 is the greatest number. So put the sign of greatest number. So we get negative 11 and negative 42. These two minus become positive. Okay. So negative 11 is greater than negative 42. So put the greater sign. Okay. So negative 21 minus negative 10 is greater than negative 31 plus negative 11. That is negative 11 is greater than negative 42. Like this, the question number C and D as your homework. So do your homework properly and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. The next one is fill in the blanks. Question number A. Negative 8 plus dash is equal to 0. When we add a same numbers with opposite signs, then we get 0. That is negative 8 plus positive 8, then we get negative 0. So negative 8 plus 8 we get 0. So the answer is 8 or positive 8. Then the next one is 13 plus is equal to 0. Here 13 is positive 13. When we subtract the same numbers, then we get 0. So we take negative 13. So we get 0. Then the next one is 12 plus negative 12. Then we subtract two same integers, then we get 0. Next question. Negative 4 plus dash is equal to negative 12. Okay. So negative 4 plus dash is equal to negative 12. Which means 12 minus 4 we get 8. So the answer is negative 8. Negative 4 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 12. Then next one is dash minus 50 is equal to 10. And here dash minus 15 is equal to 10, and the answer is 25. 25 minus 15 is equal to negative 10. Okay. Next question, find. Find means first question, negative 7, negative 8, negative 25. Okay. Here negative 7 minus negative 7, negative 8. These two minus become positive 25. Then we get negative 7 minus negative 8. We get negative 15 plus 25. We get the answer equal to 25 minus 15, 10, and the sign of 25 is positive. So we get positive 10. Okay. Next question, B. Negative 13 plus 32, negative 8, negative 1. Okay. So here negative equal to negative 13 plus minus 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus, sorry, plus 32 minus 8 minus 1 is the question. And here negative 13 plus 32, we get 32 minus 13. 32 minus 13, we get 9. Then 1, 19. Okay. Then it's negative 8 minus 1. And here negative 7. Then we get, sorry, negative 9. Negative 8 minus negative 1. 8 plus 1 we get 9, and put the sign of negative, then we get answer 10. Okay. So like this, C and D as your homework. Okay. So our exercise 6.3 is over. So our chapter 6 is over. And in this chapter we are studied about integers and addition of integers on number line, and also addition of integers, addition of negative and positive integers. Okay. So do your homework properly and send to my WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, ask me. So today let us wind up our class. Thank you.